In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock or password a PDF document and unlock it directly using JOPDF, which is a completely free to use PDF editor that you can access by coming to jopdf.com, and you can download it. It's available for Mac, Windows, and Linux. Once you are here, let's say I have the document that I want to password. This is the document, so I open it with JOPDF. So all you need is to go to protect, and you can say encrypt. You can now have the password. You can type in the password. If you want it to be an open password or you want it closed, you can enter the password. So let's say I have this password 123456. Okay, 3456. So let's say printing is not allowed. You can give the permission, allow low resolution printing or allow high resolution printing. You can give control to the PDF document that you have, whether you allow people to print or not. And then changes permission, you can give the people the control to change or to not be able to change. Allow copying text, images, and so on. You can enable this also if no changes allowed, or you can enable to allow for changes in text, images, and others. So once you are okay with this, anytime you want to confirm the password, you can come over here and click, and you'll be able to see what you have added. And so I can say apply to this very document. Okay, so permission must differ from open. So let's say 7 for permission. So let's say we have created, so it's now a protected document. So once you close on this, let's go back and try to open it. Okay, so it's going to pop up that you have to enter the password. Okay, so 123456, and just hit on enter, and this document is now open. So if you want to do any of the editing, you have to get the permission. So this is now permission password, which is what we have added in the document. So now you can edit the document and so on with the control that we have given. Okay, so if you want absolute control over your document, your PDF document, completely free of charge, I recommend JOPDF for your next PDF action. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.